The Chile Boys keeper hopes the Super Eagles goalkeeper can join the Sea Robbers, where he will have a good environment to deliver. Since the 2023 Africa Cup of Nations, Nigeria international Stanley Nwabali has been linked with the move to Kaizer Chiefs. Chippa United's goalkeeping coach Sean Liu recently confirmed that Stanley will be at the club next season. Now the Chile Boys captain Justice Chabalala believes a move to Orlando Pirates will be best for the Super Eagle. He told the SuperSport that we don't want to lose any players, but for me, if you leave Chippa and you move to Pirates, I say Pirates because I love them. It's a good thing. It's a good achievement in South Africa if you move to a club like Chiefs as well. The same goes for Sundowns, maybe even SuperSport United. I'm not saying all the other teams are not good or anything. They are okay. They are very good teams, but when you move from Chippa to Pirates, everyone knows it's a good move. He added that everyone wants to play for Pirates, and I'm happy for him. He's a good boy. He has achieved what he's achieved, and he deserves to play for a big team. Maybe not in South Africa, but to go outside and make money also. But we've been talking, how was it there at Pirates? How is Chiefs? I said, I don't know about Chiefs, but when you are at Pirates, I like you. It's like you are overseas. In his initial interview after the conclusion of 2023-2024 Premier Soccer League season, Nwabali stated he is ready to play either in South Africa or abroad. Pirates released two goalkeepers, Richard Ofori and Siyabonga Mponjane, meaning Jose Rivero will be adding a new face in the next couple of days. Chiefs might release their longest-serving player Itumeleng Khune, meaning a replacement will be needed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.